Dress to impress. Because Casual Friday doesn't apply to cats on a mission. Checking the weather app like, do I really need this bus ride today? This scarf isn't just cozy, it's the secret to feline sophistication. Suit, tie, briefcase. This cat means business, and taxis better stop. When the feline mafia takes public transport, you don't ask questions. Autumn leaves crunching, deadlines approaching. Just another day in the meow face. This kitty knows the secret to success. Coffee first, meow later. Crate digging for the perfect vinyl. This cat's got impeccable taste in tunes. Sipping espresso, reading the news. This cat is the definition of cultured. When street art meets street smart, this cat's got style and spray. Zooming through the streets, this cool cat delivers, and in style. Eyes on the road, whiskers in the wind, this kitty is late for work. Skating through the streets like a pro, this cat's got paws of steel. When you're small but mighty, every roll is a victory lap. Move over, city lights, the real stars just walked in. All in with confidence, these felines are the real kings of the table. This kitty's got 9 lives and a bank account to match. Leaves fall, music rises. This kitty's tunes are autumn's greatest hit. Pause, poise, and perfection. This duo owns the park. Popcorn in paw, pigeons on standby. This kitty's got the park vibe down. The black cat observes, silently judging every position on the board. Sunglasses on, gloves tight. This feline's ready to hit the catwalk, or the highway, when you're dressed for the drive, but neither of you has a license. When elegance meets whiskers, the red carpet doesn't stand a chance. This cat's motto, life's short, eat the taco. When the hoodies match, you know the bond is unbreakable.